Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an animation to your InShot video. So in order to add an animation to your InShot video, the first thing you need to do is open the InShot app just like this. Once you've done that, click on video right here and select any clip you want in order to add animations to, just like this. Once you've done that, you can scroll right here on your timeline by going left or right, and then you want to simply go to the place where you want to add an animation. So let's say I want to add an animation when I place this plant down, just like this, and then you simply click on that. And now I want to add this animation right here. What I can simply do is go a little bit to the right and click on split right here. Now, in order to add that animation, right here, you will find an animation button. So let me quickly find that animation button. It's right here, this animation button. And when you click on that, you can add a lot of different animations. So for example, I want to make an animation where when I place this plant, I want to basically fade out, just like this. So in order to do that, you just click on it and click on the check mark, and literally right now I have this animation for where I basically place this plant, this animation place. Of course, this is really basic and it doesn't look good at all because this clip is not made for animations. However, you can definitely play a bit around with it. And yeah, that's basically how you can add an animation to your InShot video. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.